Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu, and the Crew. I'm Rebecca, and it's Friday, so it's time to see what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree for February the 16th, 2024. Sorry I'm a little late this week. We didn't have a video on Tuesday. I've been a little under the weather, but let's go shopping and see what's new in apparel and accessories. They have the Boba Fett socks. I found some more of these at a different store. They come in a 2-pack, as you can see here, and they fit shoe sizes 6 to 12. You've got the Boba Fett on the gray with the black silhouette, and then the like army green and burgundy. We've also got a bunch of their sandals starting to come out, a bunch of different flip-flops, some for children, also a bunch of the Juncture brand hats. Those have been restocked. We've got the ball caps in black. They have the light pink, and they also had them in red. They put out a bunch of new reader glasses this week with all these fashion stems and then the different like solid color around the eyepieces, lots of pastels for spring, and a bunch of different levels for the readers there. So make sure you check those out if you happen to wear them. Lots of fun colors. And now for the arts and crafts this week. So I found some more of these palette wood signs with the twine hanger at the top. I still am only finding them in the all like natural wood color. I did see online that they were supposed to come in a little bit darker color as well, but I'm just seeing this natural wood color at the different stores. They have it in a circle also, and then you can get them also with the frame around it, but the frame has the beads at the top on the hanger, and you can get those in the circle or the square. They also have them in a rectangle, and then that palette wood in the back is the dark black. They have a hexagon also, and those again have the beaded hanger at the top. And then we've got the larger boho style wood slices. You can see how thick they are, and those are in two sizes, the 5x7 rectangle, and then we have the squares. There's also these chalkboard signs with the wood strip at the top in the hanger. You can get the rectangular one or the square, and the DIY large flowers and feathers. I just love these so much. I used these in a craft recently for my daughter's room. We kind of did a Hobby Lobby dupe, and it was really fun to recreate a similar item at Hobby Lobby for our room for just a few dollars. Now over in the baby and toddler aisle, they mainly had some new fun finger paints for the bath. They had the Crayola Sky Blue, there's Lilac Purple, and then the Bubblegum Pink. And they also had Sunshine Orange. Those are all just finger paint soaps. And the last one was the Radical Red. For the health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetics first. So this week I found that they had some more of the beauty blenders that look like the ice cream cones. I found these at a few more stores, and they only have the green beauty blender at the top. So if you guys have seen these in another color, I'm kind of curious. Is this the only color they have out there? I thought it'd be cute if they had them in like a light pink. They also had the gelato lip color, and this was like the creamsicle gelato lip balm. They had the strawberry. They usually come out with these in the spring, early summer. We've got the cotton candy scent. That's the blue. And then we have the watermelon in the darker pink. Here is the coconut. That's like a soft yellow. We also have the chocolate, and that's a little bit darker, like a tan, and then the mint, and that is the light green. For the hair care items, I found these new headbands, which I thought were so cute. They've got the satin ribbon on the side and then a bow tied at the top. You can get these in the off-white or this really pretty soft peach color. They had scrunchies to match. We've got the We Band Together colorful bands. These are 250 pack. And then this headband with the kind of like a tie-dyed pattern on top. And it's got the braided material. It's like one of those wider headbands. The pharmacy and personal care items, I found the Be Pure depilatory shaving powder hair removal. They had a whole bunch of those. They also had this Power Stick Color Shield conditioner, and they had it in a shampoo. It's a 15-ounce bottle, sulfate free and paraben free. They've got the emery boards by Diamond in the pink and purple, and then a whole bunch of pedicure sets. You get the toe separators, there's a cuticle pusher, and an emery board. And they all coordinate in different colors. That's fun if you're making it like a basket with like a bunch of pink things. You can mix and match those. Over in the fun finds, I found the Way to Glow in the Dark Moon and Stars. You get 40 pieces. And as you can see there, I think it has the sticky stuff like already on the back. And then we've got these fun novelty pens. We've got the donut. One is like a coffee cup. And then there's also the hamburger and pizza. So these fun little like clay kind of resin, I think they're clay, little doodads at the top, and then you have the pen at the bottom that coordinates with the color of whatever's at the top of the pen there. Over in home decor, they had some of these larger flags for outside. We've got the welcome with the lighthouse, and then they had the celebrate each day with the anchor. And then we've got these glass bottles restocked. So these were at a few more stores this week. They come in, I believe, 4 colors. It's purple, pink, white, and kind of like a soft green or blue. They also had these bottles, which I love so much because I love that gemstone topper. And then we've got the wax melts that look like the little faces here, and the candle holders. These have been restocked. So they've been restocking these 3 for the last 2 months now. We've got some of these little shadow box banks. One's like saving time for a drink, vibing and thriving. You can see you've got the top there where you can slide the money in. There's also the adventure fund and saving for like a new video game. They all have the bright colorful frame and then the glass insert in the front and then the opening at the top. There's these large metal signs that say here open 24 hours for coffee. There's the warning man cave, enter at your own risk, and Route 66 Texas. These are over 12 inches long. They're pretty big. In the office, home, library, and teaching tree section, they had these new pencil boxes in this really pretty burgundy color with the like little sparkle glitter throughout. You can also get them in the light pink, in the blue, but the darker like burgundy color, wine color, very pretty. They had the book holders as well to match. Definitely my favorite. I wish they'd put out a little bit more items for the office in those colors, but of course they've got their traditional pastels out as well, and some coordinating binders with the mint green, pink, burgundy, and the bright pink. In housework, storage, and organization, some more of these pastel bins. These are like the locker style bins that you can write on with the dry erase marker. They have those in the sage green, gray, pink, and the light blue. Here's a view from the side of all the different ones. They've got the handle cutouts on the sides there, and then the inside. So there's rectangles and squares. These are 2 different sizes that I'm showing you. Sometimes the camera doesn't always pick up that they're different sizes, but I try to show you everything that's available. They also had these larger round ones, which were more like a waist pail. They had those in all 4 colors. The large baskets with the holes in the side, good for like larger toys and things for kids, or even blankets that are rolled up. And then you've got the large bins here as well with the 2 handles on each side, which would work really well as a toy bin. Then they've got their cardboard jewelry like box holders with the kind of like a gold metallic woven throughout all the different designs that they have. They have those little silver pulls on each drawer, and you can stack these if you buy a bunch of the same one. You can stack them and make a big organizer, or you could just buy 1 or 2. You can mix and match because they usually all coordinate together in some way. Over in the kitchen and pantry, just like we saw in the housewares where they had the pink, gray, teal, and the green, they have the water pitchers and some bowls. These all have the graduating size bowls with the different color lids that have like that ombre look. We've got the 2-pack of the storage containers with the snap clips on the side in the same colors. You could do lots of coordinating with all of your plastic bins and your like yogurt containers here. These have the spoons that come in the lid that coordinate with the container. Then I found these gorgeous bowls with the tulips around the outside. I thought those were so pretty. And out of the 3 stores I went to, I found these at 2 so far. Over in the party supplies, they had some more of the new colors out, like the light pink and the mint green. They also have their darker, more traditional colors. Then there's this fun little craft kit you can make for a party. It looks like a balloon animal dog. Has everything you need with the 5 foam pieces and the little raffia stuff that you wrap around it. For the pet care, they had some of the buffalo lung dog chews by Nature's Corner. They also had the triple flavor ribs, dog treats. I believe you get 3 in a pack, and some more of the granola bars with the triple flavor. And those are a pretty large all day snack for your dog. Over in the seasonal items, I just love that they put out the floor mats. They have Stop the Hop, or Can't Stop the Hop. There's also Happy Easter Gnomey with the gnomes and the large mushrooms and Easter eggs. We've got the gnome, a bunny, a lamb, and a chick, and some flowers. And Cottontail Farms, which is my favorite, with all the growing carrots. And Welcome to Our Patch with the Easter bunnies. Some more of the large Easter egg yard signs. So these don't do well when they get wet, so I would definitely put them somewhere where they're going to stay a little bit more dry. And then they brought back the pillow covers, which they had out last year. So these are a large pillowcase with a zipper at the top. They fit a square pillow. usually a throw pillow. They're about average size. I had these out last year. I actually added a little tail to them and some words with the cricket, and they turned out really cute. Highly recommend those if you could find them this year. They also have these little ornaments with the bunny ears, and they have all the different letters that you can buy. There's the DIY ornaments like the little chicken and egg. They have the Easter bunnies. There's some carrots and Easter eggs. These all come with the twine holder. The hole's already drilled in at the top, and I believe you get 8 in each packet. You can paint color, use paint markers on these. I'm sorry, you get 10 in each pack. I thought there was 8, so you get a little bit more than I thought. There's also these garden signs and the gnomes with the flowers. They had those out last year, and I just love these planters and all the different colors with this really pretty lattice work at the top. All those different colors and that beautiful design. They have these extra large planters as well in the two-tone with the tan at the top, the yellow, red, or blue at the bottom. And now for the toys, games, and puzzles. They had a bunch of these little toys that light up. There's like a little flashing light inside. They're squishy, kind of like a sensory style toy. They had the sensory style toys with the little nubs on the outside and a bunch of the softer squeezy balls on the inside. Bunch of puzzles that look really hard to do. It says the pieces are thicker, so they're starting to make those a little bit new, a little bit more sturdy. We've got some fun craft kits like the cross stitch, the magnetic tiles, and the mini clay kits. And now for the Dollar Tree Plus, which is the $3 and $5 section, we have these fun bubble toys that look like the Easter Bunny Peeps. So it's Peeps LED bubble wands. They light up. You got all of your bubble soap there in the bottom. I believe it takes batteries through this little door right here, and then you push the button, it lights up, and then there's a fan right here, so it'll also blow the bubbles so kids don't have to get super sticky and wet with those. Those would be really fun to play with, and you can get those in the pink, the green, or the yellow. They had some more of these trays restocked with the carrots and the little like greenery, which I just love. This is that 3-tiered tray with the gold center, really easy to put together. Everything you need comes in the package for $5. They also had this 3-tiered tray, but it's in this really pretty pastel ombre color, and they've had these out for a few weeks. They sold out really quickly, but they are getting more in, so keep your eye out for those. And then these extra large planters, which are $5. They're nice and sturdy, very heavy and thick. They'd be great for outside with the larger plants. They have these DIY wood heart boxes, which I just love. I love when they put those out, and some new LED solar powered lights. There's an owl. They have a sloth climbing a tree, this adorable little frog that says welcome, and then the new snail. Look how cute he is, his little snail. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next time.